Hi, my name is Adrian Roana, and I'm the Manager Administrative Services with Department of Lands and Physical Planning. Lands and Physical Planning, like many other departments or agencies, we maintain the asset register manually on the MS Excel and Word templates. And that came with so many issues and challenges when reports were demanded or to be produced for the audit committee meetings. It was a mammoth task, categorizing assets and calculating totals, pretending to be an accountant as well. Well, since implementing KumulSoft fixed asset management system at the back end of last year, our reporting and assets registrations have greatly improved and have met satisfaction ratings, comments in our reporting. We have extended to introduce the computer-based asset labeling aspect of printer to efficiently and effectively manually track assets. I would highly recommend the KumulSoft fixed asset management system to any other organization, not only because of the software itself, but it's a locally owned and can provide technical backup support when required. Thank you.